In Richmond Hill, roots run deep. It's where families come not just to live, but to belong. At 240 Elka Drive, that legacy continues. A thoughtfully renovated bungalow, warm with light and filled with quiet intention. 3 bedrooms, open, flowing spaces, finishes chosen with care. A home built for life's everyday rhythm and the moments that matter most. And below, something rare, a separate entry suite offering independence, dignity, and choice. For extended family, for grown children returning home. For the kind of flexibility that lets families grow stronger, not apart. Outside, the land speaks. A wide, open yard. A deck made for long evenings and laughter. Space to plant and to see things grow. A long driveway, a wide gate. Room for guests, room for dreams. Just steps from parks, top-ranked schools, and every necessity. This is where roots take hold, where families thrive, and where the next chapter begins, not from scratch, but from strength. (240 Elka Drive, Richmond Hill). Connect with us today for more information and to plan your future lifestyle.